Akko Light or Acre Light is an active lighthouse in the port of Acre, Israel. It is located on the southwest corner of the city's ancient walls, at what is believed to be the former site of an Ottoman Burj-El-Sanjak. History: the station was established in 1864. As charts of the area were based on measures from 1862, the French Navy chart of 1866 does not mention it, and it only appeared later on amended charts. The current structure was established in 1912. Structure and display: the main structure is a 33 feet tapering cylindrical concrete tower with 4 ribs. It is painted in a black and white checkered pattern and topped with a grey metallic lantern room and a gallery. A small white painted equipment shack stands next to the tower. The light is displayed at 51 feet. The light characteristic shown is 2 white flashes every 7 seconds W7s, visible for 10 nautical miles. The lighthouse is closed to the public, but there is a stone stairwell going down from the base directly into the sea.